Hi friends, welcome to my channel, Home Concepts. Please like and subscribe my channel. Today introduce different types of interior wall paint color design ideas. When you walk into a home, the first thing you notice is the large expanse of walls and its color. Your walls are an open canvas when it comes to setting the mood for your living space. Homeowners often spend their time handpicking various wall paint designs that can match their lifestyle, their persona and their aspirations. Whether it's a simple two-color combination or an accent wall paint designs have the power to restore a space, bring it alive and add character to your decor. Wall paint designs add depth to your space, giving it a stylish edge above the basics. The choice of interior design on walls depends on the individual's requirement. But to please each personality at the home, it is mandatory to select the right options from interior wall painting options like smooth and matte finish emulsions, enamel, and textured. The matte and textured are the best fit for wall painting design for bedrooms, while the emulsion and enamel options are suitable for wall painting design for living rooms. Since walls have the capability to take center stage and become a focal point of the space, it is important to give them the attention they deserve. With a little imaginative and creative artistry, the walls can become highlights of the entire house. Since the color of the wall evidently changes the space, wall paints have the power to not only infuse life into our space but also affect our mood in a positive manner. Therefore, whether renovating an old apartment or a new one, painting the walls of your current abode becomes a priority. If something can transform the look and feel of a room in one go, it has to be mesmerizing wall paint. Unfortunately, most of us often find ourselves struggling to find a perfect idea for the walls of our homes. Different types of paints are emulsion paint, oil paint, cement paint, distemper paint, whitewash, acrylic paint, textured paint, and metallic paint. One of the paint type is emulsion paint. Emulsion paint is water-based paint that consists of pigment, emulsifier, coagulant, and water. It's called emulsion because the pigments are dispersed in water emulsified with an emulsifying agent. Emulsion paints are quite popular for their durability, easy-to-use features, and low cost. With that being said, emulsion painting can be used on walls, both exterior and interior furniture, canvas, or any other surface you would like. Also known as emulsified paints, there are many types of emulsion paint available, with the most common being gloss, semi-gloss, matte, eggshell, or velvet. Another interior paint types is acrylic emulsion paint. Acrylic paint is paint made of pigment that's suspended in acrylic emulsion. It is water-soluble and fast-drying and becomes water-resistant once dry. Acrylic paint is extremely versatile. Dependent on how much the paint is diluted with water, or modified with acrylic gels, mediums or pastes, a finished acrylic painting can resemble a watercolor, gouache or an oil painting. It can also have its own unique characteristics not attainable with other media. Another interior paint types is distemper paint. Distemper paint is known as one of the earliest forms of paint. It is created from a combination of lime, pigment, chalk, water and animal glue. The animal glue mentioned here contains resins and caseins, which increase the durability of the paint. You can find both oil-based and water-based distemper colors available in the market today. This product can be further classified into two types based on their distinct properties: acrylic distemper paint and synthetic distemper paint. It can be applied directly on cement. Distemper paint is cheaper than other alternatives. Distemper paint cannot be washed and cleaned often. These paints have a lesser lifespan. The colors fade faster than that of the emulsion paints. They have a distinct smell. The finish isn't as smooth as other alternatives. The distemper paint color will peel off when wet. This type of paint will provide you with a textured finish and give off a rustic feel. That said, if presented with the right base, the paint can be smoothed out. Another paint type is texture paint. Texture paint is a rough, gritty application of paint with different tools that add texture to a plain wall. It is almost like a 3D effect on your walls, and the right color combinations can work wonders in wall texture painting. It is a permanent solution in place of a wallpaper. Sometimes, it is also used to cover imperfect walls. Textured paint can also be used to achieve a wide variety of paint finishes and can even mimic other materials, from plaster to concrete, turning a bland flat surface into something that offers instant impact the moment you enter the room. There are glitter paints for a sparkly bedroom, metallic emulsions for an industrial look, and suede finishes for a velvety feel. Color-wise, palettes range from dark, dramatic tones to reflective paint sheen levels and bold, vibrant shades. Texture paint can help hide wall damage if you are unable to replaster the wall. The texture paint effect can be used at home in two ways: hand-applied drywall textures and sprayer-applied drywall textures. These two broad types of textured paints have several types of their own. Another interior paint type is oil paint. Oil-based paints are not widely used today because of strict health restrictions. They emit hazardous fumes when wet, which can be overwhelming for whoever is painting. If you're painting, wear a protective mask to avoid breathing in any fumes. That said, oil-based paint is still ideal for certain exterior painting projects. Oil-based paints shrink less than latex and acrylic paints do, hold up in high traffic areas and glide on smoothly. Oil-based paint dries to a smooth, hard surface and works well on porch floors, doors, trim and other small details. On the downside, oil-based paints are more likely to crack and fade than latex and acrylic paints. Oil-based paints are best suited for high moisture rooms. Oil paints help in covering small imperfections, chalky, stained surfaces. The oil in oil-based paints acts as a good leveler. It helps you get rid of brush marks and provide a smooth finish to the walls. Another interior painting type is cement paint. When cement is the most integral constituent of paint, it can grant for utmost sturdiness and hardness. These paints can be a better option on the indoors as nicely as exterior walls. Cement paint no longer requires any exclusive natural. It can also additionally moreover be a fantastic choice for an exterior surface, as it can restrict grime accumulation, and in addition stop water penetration. Whether it is an outside or indoor wall, or a concrete wall structure, cement paint can be one of the fantastic preferences available. Interior cement paints are used for fortifying and decorating the walls inside your home. It also helps in reducing dampening. The smooth matte finishing in the interior cement paint creates a sheen and aesthetic look for the interior walls. Some interior cement paints are embedded with antifungal elements to reduce bacterial accumulation during monsoons. Another paint types are whitewash paint. A whitewash is the most inexpensive range of paint. The paint material is made by mixing powder, chalk, or slaked lime in water in an inappropriate amount. It is good to use for painting the brick partitions and the walls made of concrete, amongst different surfaces. In some cases, people use it to portray wood walls. Mix adhesive materials like Fevicol additionally with it for better adhesiveness and long lasting. Whitewashing is the process of covering a wall with a very thin coat of thin plaster made with water, lime and other ingredients. Whitewashing is used to color fences, wood, and most commonly, walls. Whitewashing walls is a fairly easy process. Another paint type is metallic paint. Metallic paint is water-based paint with hundreds of different metallic finishes. This type of paint has a metallic finish which imparts a high-look luxurious effect to the space. Metallic paints are great alternatives to wallpaper and give an interior design a high-quality metallized finish without the bothersome installation or maintenance. Metallic paints are available in powder form and can be mixed with water to create an effect similar to a traditional paint finish but on a smaller scale. The particles of metal suspended in the solution create a deep metallic shine. Types of wall paint finishes are flat or matte finish, semi-gloss finish, high gloss, eggshell finish, texture finish and satin. One of the paint finish is matte finish. Matte paint is the most porous finish type, meaning it's not very durable. Paints with a flat finish aren't suitable for painting high traffic areas, like doors, windows and floors. Instead, use it to paint exterior siding. Another paint finish is as texture finish. Texture paint is a new paint range and can provide for the painting of extraordinary kinds of styles on the wall surfaces. The paint includes leather, lace, ribbon, steel, and coarse grains including sand and gypsum among others. Apart from the visual effect, these paints also create a feel or touch effect. You can cover the unevenness or the imperfections of wall surfaces via the use of texture paint. It is additionally a superb choice for wallpaper. Another paint finish is as eggshell finish. Eggshell paint finishes are low luster, with a very subtle sheen that can be compared to the surface of an eggshell. While eggshell does not have too much luster, it will reflect and bounce light throughout a room, creating depth in a space without appearing overly shiny. Another paint finish is a satin finish. Satin is one of the most popular paint finishes among homeowners. It's not too dull, but not too shiny, making it the perfect happy medium that looks nice on any surface. Satin finish especially works well on wood or cement siding that's in good condition. Make sure to mix your satin finish paint thoroughly before applying it. If it isn't properly mixed, the sheen can be visibly uneven. If you're planning to use the paint soon, ask the store to mix it for you. Another paint finish is as glossy finish. Shinier than satin and flat finish paint, glossy finish paints are durable and easy to clean. Because this finish is durable and somewhat water resistant, use it on trim that is most exposed to the elements, including windowsills and garage doors. Glossy finish paints resist scuff marks and are generally more durable than paints with other finishes, so use them on surfaces that get a lot of wear. Gloss paints provide stupendous reflection and the shine is also long-lasting. For better gloss and finish, more than one coatings are necessary. This is so due to the fact the paint can also highlight flaws and imperfections. High gloss finish paints attract the eye, so avoid using them on dented siding or any other imperfections. Otherwise, they'll highlight them and draw unwanted attention. Another paint finish is a semi-gloss finish. Semi-gloss paint is less shiny than glossy paint. Because it's durable and resistant to stains, it's best for doors and trim work. For areas that are exposed to the elements, choose semi-gloss over glossy paint for its extra durability and longevity. When choosing paint finishes, it's important to think about your individual needs and design preferences. Here are some factors to consider. Most manufacturers say all of their paint finishes are able to be cleaned. But a general rule is that the shinier the paint finish, the better it will stand up to scuffs, dings, wiping, and scrubbing. If you're going for a rustic or vintage look, use flat paint. However, if durability is an issue as well, consider flat enamel for trim and eggshell for walls. Rather than choosing a high gloss paint for a whole room, use it sparingly in select locations, such as doors, trim, or an accent wall. A room with too much glossy paint can sometimes appear a bit cold and uninviting. Using a glossier finish on ceilings can help to reflect light in a space. Make sure to use a quality paint that will wear well and not crack. The gloss will make any blemishes more noticeable, and it's typically not easy to touch up ceilings. Guide to finding the right wall paint design for your home is: add a touch of your personality. Let the design speak for you. Make sure you keep in mind the room's layout, furniture, traffic and design. Don't forget the overall vision and vibe of your room. Analyze the lighting and natural light in your room while making a decision. Choose wall paint designs that you're comfortable with. Stay true to the color scheme of the house. When choosing the best exterior house paint colors, always use good quality paint products and choose a reliable painting company that does the preparation work of the surface before painting the walls inside home. Purchase a small sample of the new color so you can try it before applying a larger amount to the entire area. Wait a day or two to let the color settle. Seeing the dry paint at different times of day will help you determine if the new color is right for you. No matter what area of your home you are painting, it's important to know whether you are choosing a high quality paint. When choosing a paint finish, washability is also an essential factor to consider. Paints should withstand repeated cleanups without sacrificing color richness or gloss. Washable paints are pretty popular since they are simple to maintain and are commonly used. In addition, it has excellent outside resilience, even in areas subjected to extreme circumstances, such as maritime and industrial applications, or in regions marked by significant temperature swings. Acrylic resin is one of the most popular material choices for this product. It provides resistance to washing in the alkaline environment that is generally characteristic of plastering and cement-based surfaces. Seek professional help. With so many options, picking a specific color combination can get overwhelming. Instead of choosing something just for the sake of it, consult a professional. Share your confusion and concerns with the expert. They will understand your house color expectations and suggest something that goes with it. When seeking professional advice, don't hesitate to ask questions. It's your house interior, and you have every right to make it look good. So, ask questions and make an informed decision when choosing a house color. The easiest way towards home color selection is to go with your favorites. Whether you like neutrals or pastels, choose a color theme that resonates with you and use the same for your walls. Your furniture can help you choose paint colors for home interiors. If you have a striking piece of furniture in a particular color, you can choose a complementary shade for your walls. Your choice of house painting designs and colors can affect your mood. You will notice that soft colors make you feel calm and peaceful. While choosing the paint colors for homes, consider what type of energy you want in the space and choose the color accordingly. An important aspect of interior design is maintaining design continuity. To do this, ensure that your house paint colors flow seamlessly across all the rooms, which can be done by following the same family of colors. To please your personality, it is mandatory to paint your bedroom walls in a way that appeals to you the most. Painting the bedroom walls is an inexpensive way to personalize your space. You have the liberty to paint any spots from the ceiling to the floor. To add maximum value to your wall designs, you must make sure to paint more than just the walls. The matte and textured paints are best for wall color design for bedrooms. The paint colors you choose revamp the look of your home. Color can make or break a space depending on the combinations you prefer. The color combination you choose for interior walls has a profound influence on your family, and many people tend to do mistakes while choosing the color combinations. But, we want the best color combination for our home interiors. The easiest way towards home color selection is to go with your favorites. Whether you like neutrals or pastels, choose a color theme that resonates with you and use the same for your walls. Your furniture can help you choose paint colors for home interiors. If you have a striking piece of furniture in a particular color, you can choose a complementary shade for your walls. An important aspect of interior design is maintaining design continuity. To do this, ensure that your house paint colors flow seamlessly across all the rooms, which can be done by following the same family of colors. While selecting house painting designs and colors, it's easy to get swept away by the latest trends. But you must remember that a home is forever, and as such, even the paint color should be something that is eternal. Colors that will always remain evergreen include white, beige and cream. The living room is the first space that guests see when they visit your home. While deciding the paint colors for home and living room interiors, keep in mind that this area should have a positive, warm and welcoming ambience. Neutral shades are a good choice for your living room along with grey, blue and beige. Before selecting house painting designs and colors for your dining room, decide on the ambience that you want. If you are looking for a cozy space where you can share meals with your loved ones, opt for paint colors for home like red and yellow. Similar to the home office, the study room is a space that should boost concentration. In order for this to happen, it's essential that you create the right ambience with paint colors. Soft neutrals are the right choice for this room. For your kids' bedroom, the home color selection should be based on the ambience you want to create. For instance, if you want a soothing space for your child, opt for soft shades like pale pink and blue. On the other hand, you can choose vibrant colors if you want to create an energetic and fun space. Pink, mauve and baby blue, lacking strong shade, are called as pastel colors. The pastel colors blend well together. Using pastel colors in your interior wall paints will give a distinct look and feel to your home. These colors flaunt a soft, neutral and soothing nature in your home. It is the best home painting color combination for your children's room. Soft pink and turquoise shade is a bold color combination for your home interiors. The combination renders a bright and lustrous look to your home. The exuberant nature of pink and turquoise makes it the good choice for your daughter's room. It is one of the versatile color combinations for walls, as it works well with a number of design styles in your home interiors. With blue taking center stage and accents of white, this color combination is the most minimalistic interior wall paint color combination. This color combination adds a lot of perspective to your home and it makes your interiors look clean and elegant. This combination also makes your room look spacious and stimulates your appetite. Opt for soothing shades for the ceiling to complement the rest of the walls. White, off-white and cream are most popular paint colors for the ceilings. However, for a dramatic impact one can paint it yellow, blue or even in textured paint. For a touch of opulence, one can paint the ceiling with metallic hues of gold. Painting the ceiling in a different color from the walls can make a bold statement and add a touch of glam. One can also add to the beauty of the ceiling combining paint and pop with interesting light fixtures. The ceiling can be done up in an accent color. A dark color can visually lower the height of a room, while a light color can give the impression of a high ceiling. For a cohesive look, paint the ceiling and walls in the same color using a hue one shade darker than the walls. Neutral shades are trending. These include wall paint colors such as monochrome shades of lilac, browns and dark shades like navy. Additionally, green hues that bring the elements of nature to any space continue to inspire homeowners. Also, those looking to add a pop of color or design accent walls for their homes can pick shades like muted yellow that go well with blues and greens as excellent bedroom color combinations. Two color combinations trending: indigo and white, brown and cream, light blue with vibrant yellow, peach and white, gray and orange, purple and red. Walls are essential elements to consider when attempting to accentuate the inside of your home. Because of this, you can try out various textures, colors, and patterns. However, it's important to avoid seeming tacky by matching your walls to your interiors and furniture. Stencil designs for wall painting are a low-cost approach to emphasize and personalize them. An easy way to personalize your home is to use this simple trick. Wall stencil design is a simple and cost-effective technique to modify the walls of your home and give them personality. Paint brushes or stencil rollers and your preferred stencil are all you'll need to complete the project. Homes often look for rooted, traditional stencils as wall painting ideas to adorn their bare walls. Stencils are usually used to make great wall art in modern homes and are a popular wall paint design idea. From beautiful flowers, butterflies to abstract designs, stencils can embellish your bare walls as accents. Golden stencil designs work well in contrast to dark shades. Wall stencils for painting are a more affordable alternative to custom walls than wallpaper. You can customize your wall decor with your favorite combination of paint colors and wall stencil patterns. Unlike wallpaper, wall stencils are safe for walls and easy to change. Whether you like modern wall stencils, damask wall stencils or Moroccan bohemian stencils, your home's walls will look fabulous with new pattern and personality. What is the surface that is being painted? This is the most important question to be answered while calculating the cost of painting a house per square foot. More coats of paint and an extensive sanding and leveling process are required for exteriors as they are often more weather-beaten. The condition of the walls is the next factor that comes into play while determining the painting cost per square foot. The type of paint being used is the most obvious factor affecting the painting cost per square foot. There is a clear distinction in price of the different kinds of paints that reflect on the cost of painting a house per square foot. Water-soluble distemper paints are the cheapest and least durable. They also have a strong odor. Emulsion paints can be both water and oil-based. They are the standard quality for painting now. They are durable and often washable as well. Some of these paints also have antifungal mildew properties. In fact, the cost of emulsion paint comes in a wide range depending on the different finishes such as matte, glossy, pearl. Texture paint cost per square featuring happens to be the most expensive option of them all, and is used mainly for accent walls. These paints require a special base preparation, tools and additional labor charges which can increase your paint cost per square foot. The number of colors used can also affect your painting cost per square foot. When you use a single color to paint all the rooms in your home, the cost of painting a house per square foot is invariably lesser than using multiple colors. This is simply because of economies of scale. The more colors you use, the higher the painting cost. Moreover, the chances of wastage are also higher when you use multiple colors. If you pick a darker color for your walls, the cost of painting a house is higher while light colors are cheaper to paint. Painting labor cost per square featuring varies widely from one city to another, depending on cost of living. Cost may vary even within a city with charges being higher in posh localities. The level of skill required also determines the home painting services cost in most cases. Additionally, branded painting services charge more but offer better finishes than individual contractors in most cases. The labor cost of painting a house per square foot is higher for exterior painting and textured paints. The most important factor here is to find the right resource with the required skills to do the job. Labor charges include in the painting cost per square foot. Your choice of house painting designs and colors can affect your mood. You will notice that soft colors make you feel calm and peaceful. While choosing the paint colors for homes, consider what type of energy you want in the space and choose the color accordingly. I hope you liked the different types of inside wall color combination ideas shown in this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.